Hello everyone, welcome to today's analysis of the NQ and a little bit of related markets. Today's going to be a little quick one. I'm going to go over what we did yesterday. It is Thursday, the 13th of March. So yesterday, I mentioned, so we were dealing with this. There was a few trades here that worked out very nicely. Could have held this one, could have held any of them up, but news was coming and, you know, happy with this. All you need is a couple of wins. And then I was saying they could just push it up. It did something like this, which is what they did. And what did they tap into? Well, they tapped into a 12-hour order block. It's the largest relative order block I could see that I liked the look of, and the thing is, this order block itself hasn't done much. It's not the source of anything except what now is looking to be like a lit grab into this 3-day block. So I don't know if this is necessarily going to hold, and with the liquidity we've built here, also, like, we have a RTH gap right above us in the block as well. So I don't think this block's gonna do much. There's a lot of things pointing. We've a lot of inducement around there too. Could be wrong. They could push down into here again, but I think the probability is up, personally. Now, what can we do before then? Well, we have this level below us. They're kind of making it a bit tricky in here. We have these ascending lows. We've come right down onto them. My 24-minute money flow interest point is here. It overlaps with this one, which is kind of iffy. But right now we're setting up for potentially a swipe into here, I think, into this block that we marked out yesterday. We could also induce it and come back up internally, I guess. The levels that we have internally, so we're building a lot of descending highs here. Japan took out relative Sydney highs, and then we broke down, breaks the structure internally, this single push down. Right now, I don't know if I like this block that we've come into for longs, so I don't know if I'm going to be taking trades either side of this until it or inside this until it's a bit more clear. I don't like where they are right now for UK. But if I had to play devil's advocate, we took internal liquidity here. It was also an SMT. Didn't take it on ES. We've got mixed signals in here. We could just do something of a kind of range situation until US. I think we have news today. Let me check. We've core PPI today, so yeah, we could anything could happen, but there is a lot of liquidity here. We have a pull up here as well. I would just be a bit iffy on if we came straight up, we would be breaking structure. Depending on how we come up, if we come straight up, I guess that and dance around here, then we could put in a high to come into that block, or maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see if that gets interacted with. A lot of liquidity made immediately during Asia. We've China's high, which is an equal high on ES, but we're also sitting right above this massive liquidity pool, which is part of this now a greater break of structure, I would nearly say. You would want a very, very quick push in here in general, I think. ES looks a bit different. ES took these lows, which is kind of interesting, and there's less structural change on the ES. It's less immediate. Yeah. So yeah, I really don't have much new today. Not as clear on the UK PA as I was yesterday, but I have zones below and above immediately. I would be a bit cautious about taking a short off this just because of the liquidity that we have here. They don't need to come into here. It's not a requirement. They can actually just push it up because of what's happened. They could induce this for a long time. So be careful if you're looking at this and being like, oh, I'm going to short into it. Could happen, but just be aware that they don't need to come for this. They can literally just keep it pushing up from here. Seeming as all of these are a large SMT, all of these lows. Yeah, I might take some scalps, maybe one or two. I don't know, I'm a bit tired, so we'll have to see. But I'll post my charts, and hopefully they help. Yeah, if you have any questions, throw a comment in the server, and I'll be sure to help you out. Okay, peace, guys. Chat to you tomorrow. Or sorry, chat to you on Monday. I'll be doing it on to Monday. Yeah, happy trading. Bye bye.